Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Nepturox SAT20 Pro Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum. I've looked through the specifications, cleaning technology, and real-world expectations, and I'm going to break down whether this robotic pool vacuum is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The biggest highlight of the Nepturox SAT20 Pro is its combination of dual 180W brushless motors and track drive movement system. The powerful motor setup provides strong suction and efficient debris collection, allowing it to handle everything from fine dirt and sand to leaves, insects, and other common pool debris. Brushless motor technology also provides advantages in durability, efficiency, quieter operation, and longer service life compared with traditional brush motors. Another major strength is its smart navigation system. Many entry-level robotic pool cleaners move randomly around the pool, which can lead to missed areas and longer cleaning times. The SAT20 Pro is designed to follow optimized cleaning paths, allowing it to cover the pool more efficiently and reduce unnecessary repeated passes. This is especially important for larger pools where cleaning performance and battery efficiency become critical. The track drive design is another premium feature. Unlike basic wheeled cleaners, tracks provide better grip on slippery pool surfaces, improving its ability to climb walls, transition between the floor and walls, and maintain stability during operation. This allows the robot to clean not only the bottom of the pool, but also climb vertical surfaces and scrub the waterline, where oils, sunscreen residue, and dirt often accumulate. One of the biggest advantages over traditional robotic cleaners is its completely cordless operation. Without a floating cable attached, there is no risk of tangling, and setup becomes extremely simple. You just charge the unit, place it into the pool, and let it handle the cleaning automatically. This makes it much more convenient for everyday maintenance. Battery performance is another strong point. The claimed 150-minute runtime is sufficient for many medium and large residential pools, and its capability to clean pools up to 2,150 square feet makes it suitable for a wide range of backyard pool sizes. For homeowners who regularly deal with leaves, dust, and debris, this amount of runtime can significantly reduce manual cleaning. The cleaning performance is further improved by the integrated scrubbing system, which works alongside powerful suction to loosen stubborn debris attached to pool surfaces. This means it does more than simply vacuum loose dirt. It actively helps maintain cleaner walls and floors over time. However, there are some limitations worth considering. First, although the 150-minute battery life is impressive, very large or heavily contaminated pools may require multiple cleaning cycles before achieving a perfect result. Battery-powered cleaners always have a time limit compared with corded models that can run continuously. Another consideration is that robotic pool cleaners require regular maintenance. The filter basket needs to be emptied and washed after cleaning sessions, especially when dealing with heavy leaf buildup. Neglecting this can reduce suction performance and overall cleaning efficiency. Because this is a more advanced electronic device operating underwater, long-term durability, replacement parts availability, and warranty support should also be considered before making a major investment, particularly compared with well-established premium pool cleaning brands. I've looked through the internet, checked robotic pool cleaner comparisons, user expectations, and performance trends, and here's my recommendation. If you're looking for a high-powered cordless robotic pool vacuum with strong wall climbing ability, intelligent navigation, long battery life, and convenient cable-free operation, the Nepturox SAT20 Pro is a very attractive option. Its dual brushless motors, track system, and waterline cleaning capabilities make it suitable for homeowners who want a more hands-free pool maintenance experience. However, if you own an extremely large pool, require commercial-level cleaning, or prioritize decades of brand support and readily available parts, you may want to compare it with established high-end pool robot manufacturers. Overall, the Nepturox SAT20 Pro cordless robotic pool vacuum delivers strong suction, smart cleaning technology, and excellent convenience, making it a compelling choice for homeowners seeking an efficient and modern solution to keeping their pools crystal clear.